Ryan from Siliconrepublic. Today we're going to take a look at the latest Sony Ericsson phones, including the Xperia Play. Hey, can you tell me about the two phones that Sony Ericsson have to offer?
Absolutely, yeah. First off, this is our flagship product, so this will be the replacement to the X10. This is actually called the Sony Ericsson Xperia Arc. So this, as I said, sits at the top of the range. First and foremost, it's a smartphone. It works on the Android operating system, and it comes on the latest revision of Android for smartphones, which is Gingerbread. In terms of the actual hardware, you'll see that one of the main features of this device is actually how slim it is. It's extremely slim. At its slimmest, it's actually only 8.7 millimeters. In terms of other features that come on the hardware, it's got an 8 megapixel HD autofocus camera, complete with a photo light as well. And yeah, it's absolutely stacked with features.
And it has its mobile Bravia engine on that as well, I hear?
That's right. So we're delighted to be bringing the mobile Bravia engine from Sony onto these devices for the first time. The first smartphones to have Sony Bravia technology in terms of the screen. You can see just already how bright the screen is, and that's one of the main advantages of this screen technology. The screen is a 16 million colour 4.2-inch LCD screen, and the Bravia engine allows the colours to be more vivid when the screen is active, and extremely black when the screen is inactive or in sleep mode. So what it means is it just makes sure that the colours are extremely vivid. It also performs very well in terms of power consumption, and really strong in terms of direct sunlight as well. It handles all those things very well.
Hey, can you tell me about the Xperia Play?
Absolutely, Laura, yeah. So this is our Xperia Play, and this is first and foremost a no-compromise smartphone. So again, it's from our Xperia range of Android smartphones. This one also launches on Gingerbread, which is the latest revision of software for Android smartphones. And just looking at it in terms of the handset, it's got a 4-inch, 16 million colour LCD screen, so full screen technology. It's also got a 5 megapixel autofocus camera on it, complete with a photo light, and it also comes with a front-facing video camera for video chatting as well. So I suppose what differentiates this most from other smartphones that are available out there is the fact that this is the only Sony PlayStation certified handset, which obviously opens up a whole world of mobile gaming on this device.
So will there be a lot of original games to be developed for the...
Absolutely. We're in a very privileged position in that when this handset launches on the 31st of March, it'll actually come with 5 games pre-installed on it, so consumers will be able to play these games straight out of the box. And there's a range of original titles plus games that people will know, like FIFA 10, for example. But in terms of the wider ecosystem, there'll be a combination of Sony content, Android marketplace content, and brand new games that we're developing in tandem with developers out there, which will be optimized just for this handset.
And would there also be, say, a lot of classic PlayStation titles coming for the phone?
Absolutely, yeah. I think people are going to be very surprised with the games that come out. From launch, we have a great mix of genres. So everything from football to shooting, racing, and as I said, a lot of games that people will actually recognise. And then once the game is about to launch, we'll be able to announce all the other titles that will be available on it in the ecosystem for people to download then as well.
So can you tell me about the price and when they'll be available for the Xperia Play and the Xperia Arc?
Sure. If we stick with the Play for the moment, in terms of availability, this one will actually be launched in Ireland exclusively through the Carphone warehouse for a 3-week exclusive period, which is actually going to start on midnight on March the 31st. So there'll be a midnight store opening. There's going to be a big event in one of the Carphone warehouse stores. And the good thing is that consumers will be able to purchase this on any Irish operator, but they'll have to buy it from one of the 78 Carphone warehouse stores. The Xperia Arc will also become available at the end of March as well, and that'll be available across the board from all Irish operators in all the different mobile channels.